Have you ever wondered how to turn the tables and make him chase you instead? Well, today, we're going to dive into that very topic. This isn't about playing games or manipulation, but rather, empowering yourself, standing tall in your worth, and breaking free from the exhausting cycle of chasing. We're talking about ushering in a shift, a change in dynamic where you become the one being pursued. So, buckle up and prepare to gain a fresh perspective. Get ready to learn how to never chase a man again. First and foremost, understand the power of self-love. This isn't just about spa days and treating yourself to the occasional indulgence. Self-love goes deeper than that. It's about acknowledging your worth and embracing your individuality. It's about being confident in who you are and not feeling the need to change for anyone, including the man you're interested in. You see, when you love and respect yourself, you set the standard for how others should treat you. It shows that you have your own passions, your own goals, and your own life. And that's incredibly attractive. It creates an allure, a magnetic pull that draws people in. And you know what? You should be happy with or without a man. Yes, a relationship can add to your happiness, but it should never be the sole source of it. Being happy on your own shows that you don't need a man to complete you. You're already whole. And that kind of self-sufficiency? It's irresistible. Remember, a confident woman is an attractive woman. Next, let's talk about the art of exclusivity. Exclusivity, ladies and gentlemen, is a powerful tool in the game of attraction. It's about creating a sense of intrigue and mystery, making someone wonder about you, wanting to know more. It's about not always being readily available, not appearing too eager. It's the thrill of the chase, the joy of discovery. Now, this doesn't mean you play hard to get or ignore the person. No, it's about balance. It's about maintaining your own life, your own interests, and not giving away all the benefits of a relationship without commitment. It's about valuing yourself enough to know that you deserve someone who is willing to invest in you, just as much as you are willing to invest in them. Remember, in the game of love, it's not always about who runs the fastest, but who can maintain the pace and keep the interest alive. Exclusivity creates a sense of mystery and intrigue that can be very appealing. Now let's delve into the power of interaction. Can you imagine the scene? You're at a gathering, effortlessly mingling with a diverse group of individuals, your laughter ringing out, your words insightful and engaging. This picture you're painting, it's magnetic, it's attractive, and it's a powerful way to pique a man's interest. You see, when a man observes your ability to interact with others, it not only showcases your social skills but also your confidence and your charm. It sparks a sense of competition, an instinctive drive to stand out from the crowd and capture your attention. And this isn't about stirring up jealousy or playing games, it's about highlighting your value, your worth. It's about demonstrating that you're a woman who is comfortable in her own skin, who can hold her own in any conversation, who is engaging and interesting. So, engage with the world around you. Show your wit, your knowledge, your empathy. Because when you do, you're not just interacting with others, you're creating an irresistible attraction. Remember, your interactions with others can be a powerful tool in attracting a man. Finally, let's discuss the art of flirting. Now, don't be fooled. Flirting isn't just a frivolous game. It's an essential ingredient in the recipe of attraction. When it comes to making someone chase you, it's about striking the right balance. Flirting is like the spice in your favorite dish, too much, and it overpowers everything else, too little, and you're left wanting more. What makes flirting so powerful? It's its ability to create a sense of fun and excitement in a relationship. It's the playful banter, the teasing, the subtle gestures that can turn an ordinary interaction into a game of intrigue and desire. But remember, the key here is subtlety. Flirting is a delicate dance, not a desperate plea for attention. So, how do you flirt without coming off as desperate? It's all about self-assuredness. Be confident, be playful, but always maintain that air of mystery. Show them that you're interested, but keep them guessing about what's next. This creates a magnetic pull that's hard to resist. In conclusion, flirting can be a powerful tool when used correctly. It can create a spark, an attraction, an unspoken connection. But like any tool, it needs to be used wisely. Remember, a little flirting can go a long way. So there you have it. The secret to making him chase you. We've covered the power of self-love, reminding you that your worth is not dependent on anyone else. We delved into the art of exclusivity, showing how a touch of mystery can spark interest. We talked about the power of interaction, demonstrating that your social dynamics can ignite a man's competitive spirit. And finally, we explored the art of flirting, highlighting that a little playfulness goes a long way. What are your thoughts on these tips? Share your experiences or additional tips in the comments section. Remember, you have the power to turn the tables and make him chase you.